I'm rushing to get in the water today, and I looked back and I saw this. That's the moon. That's the moon setting behind the hills of Mount Arrowsmith. So cool. All right, here we are, trying to be super organized and get to the beach within 20 minutes of waking up. Failed a little bit today, but trying to get here to catch the emergence. It's Tuesday, April 15th, 2025. Gorgeous sound of the surf, gentle surf. Almost just me on the beach today. And should catch the emergence on my GoPro while I'm in the water. So good morning to the beach and good morning to the sun.